Then input output. These are the system instructions. This instruction we can use with the ladder diagram and structure text. This instruction is not available for the functional block, which is the message instruction, GSV and SSV and IoT. We can see that some description. uh, MSG is the send data to or from another module, and GSV means this MSG instruction we are when we are using when we want to communicate two different controllers or two different devices to each other. That time we are going to use this MSG instruction. It's communication between third party devices. For that purpose we are using MSG instruction. And GSV instruction we are using when we want to status of the controller. That GSV is the get controller status information. And the set, if you want to set some value into the controller or the password or the any set point, or you want to controller destroy, then you can use this GSV instruction to set controller status information. Sometimes some people are giving some password, some code through the GSV instruction, and your controller get hacked, or your controller get in fault mode or like that, by using this SSV instruction. And from by using this GSV instruction you can take that information like version of the controller, firmware version of the controller, then revision, the manufacturing date, the time, date and time for that controller you can get from this GSV instruction. Send output values to an IO modules or consuming controller at the specific point in your logic. Trigger an event task in another controller, that IoT we are using. Then MSC instruction, just going with the little bit description. The MSC instruction asynchronously reads or writes a block of data to another module on a network. The instruction look like this, we can't use with the function block. And for the structure text we are using message instruction like control. We are going to see some example for the MSG. It has some parameters like done and done, enable, er, ew, st. These are the internal parameters of that instruction. There is one err, exer, request len, dn len. You can read it after some time. When you have time you can read it in detail. This is the flow chart of the execution of that message instruction. Then how we can use in the ladder, there is some enable tag is required. If you not add this tag, then the message instruction only reads when in the first cycle scan, and after that it will be done, and it will be wait for another one first cycle. Otherwise you can give one tag here and continuously on and on off, on off, on off for every cycle. And then if you have 100 cycles and you on off at 500 times in hundreds, sorry, 50 times, the message will read. This type you can use in the structure text, the message instruction and message control. Then some compare instructions. These are the most useful instructions. Is the compare instruction. In the ladder there is a CMP block equal to greater than equal to, then less than equal to, less than limit, then MEQ, NEQ. You can see the description also. For the functional block, there is some little bit change in the block or the visualization. It you can see the equal to, greater than equal to, there is a symbol, greater than, less than equal to, less than, limit, not equal to, or masking equal to, or like that. These are the function. This instruction you can directly browse in the ladder by using these shortcuts. Then CMP is the most useful instruction. Is the compare value based on an expression. In this CMP instruction you can execute your logic. Suppose you have some transfer function a square plus 2